Hi everyone, this is Ranjana here from Krishna Sewing Solutions. In the previous episodes, we spoke about the different models and variants of the RICOMA embroidery machines. Today, we will exclusively speak only about EM-1010. As the name suggests, EM-1010. What do 1010 stand for? First 10, it stands for 10 needles, and the other one, the latter, states it's a single head embroidery machine. Now, in this embroidery machine, there is a flatbed along with a cylinder bed combined with it. Now, the flatbed, as everybody knows, it's used for embroideries. But with the cylinder bed, you get a cap attachment which will help you embroider logos on the caps as well. Now, we'll talk about the stand. Now, since this machine is the basic machine, I would like to tell you that it can be used by putting it on any table. You don't need a specific stand for it. But still, in case if any of the customers insist, then we do customize stands for the machines. You need to purchase it from us. Last but not the least, I would like to state multi-needle machines are much in demand in the Indian market than the single needle. So based on this concept, the RICOMA company has come up with this basic model, which is much more trending today in the Indian market. Hope this information was useful for you all. For any more kind of information or queries, you can definitely contact us with the contact details mentioned in the description box, as well as you can press the bell icon to not skip out on any of our tutorials. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and most importantly, like, share and comment on our channel. Thank you for giving us your precious time. Bye-bye.